Hello students, welcome back to the channel. My name is Shivam Batra and today we will continue exercise 5.3. In the previous video we discussed first two questions of exercise 5.3. Today we will start from question number 3. So let us revise first formula first. Sn is equal to sum of first n terms of AP is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This was the formula we discussed in previous video, and another form of this formula is a plus an. If the last term is known, then we can use the second formula here. So these are two formulas. Now we will do question number 3. There are in total 10 parts in this question. I will discuss 4-5 parts. Rest you can try at your home. So let us see the first part here. A is equal to 5. D 3, an 50, we have to find the value of n and Sn. So now here we can see that an is known. So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Put the values here. 50 equal to 5 plus n minus 1 into d is 3. So this will be 45 equal to 3 n minus 1. N minus 1 is 15 and will be equal to 16 here. Now n is known. Now we will calculate S16. S16 will be equal to 16 by 2, 2a, 2 into 5 plus n minus 1. N is 16, that means 15 into, what is d? D is 3. So we can calculate the value here. This will be 8. 10 plus 45 the sum is equal to 400. This is 55 here. 10 plus 45, so answer will be 440. So this was first part. Now let us see the third part here. A12 is given, D is given, we have to find the value of A and S12. So we can know that A12 can be written as A plus 11D. So in short, A plus 11D will be equal to 37. Put the value of D here. A plus 11 into 3 is equal to 37. A is 37 minus 33. A is equal to 4. So we have found the value of A. Now we have to calculate S12. What is S12? 12 by 2. Now we have to find S12 and A12 is known. So we can directly use the second formula, A plus AN. A is 4, AN is 37. So this will be equal to 6 into 41. So this will be equal to 240. So this was third part. Let us see fourth part of third question. A3 is given 15. S10 is given 125. We have to calculate value of D and A10 here. So we can know that A3 can be written as A plus 2D. This will be equal to 15. So let us say this is equation number 1. Now S10 is given. Use this S10. S10 will be equal to 125 equal to n by 2, that is 10 by 2. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Clear? So this will be converted into 125 equal to 5, 2a. N is known here, so we will put directly 10 here. This will be equal to 90. So 2a plus 90 will be equal to 25. Let us say this is equation number 2. Now solve 1 and 2. So we can use substitution method or elimination method. So I am using elimination. For this I am multiplying first equation by 2. So 2a plus 4d will be equal to 30. this 2a plus 9d is equal to 25. If we subtract, this will be minus 5d equal to 5, so d will be minus 5. Now d is known, put the value of d here in the first equation. So this will be a plus 2 into minus 1 equal to 15, a will be 17. So now a is also known. Clear? Now what we have to find next, d is known now, a10. a10 is equal to a plus 9d. So a10 will be equal to a is 17 plus 9 into minus 1, 17 minus 9, this is equal to 8. So this was fourth part. Let us see the seventh part now. A is 8, an is 62, Sn is given. So we will use the formula of Sn. Sn is equal to 210 is equal to n by 2 a plus an. 8 plus 62. So 210 is equal to n by 2 into 70. This is 35. So n is 210 by 35. This is equal to 6. So n is 6. Now what we have to calculate? The value of d. To calculate d, we will use this an. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Put values here. 62 is equal to 8 plus n minus 1, that is 5 into d. This will be equal to 62 minus 8, 5d. So d will be equal to 54 by 5. So this was seventh part. Now let us see the ninth part. A is known, N is known, S is 192. So number of terms is 8 and sum is given. So it is obvious that this is S8. So S8 is 192. So using this formula, 192 is equal to 8 by 2, 2a. 2 into 3 plus n minus 1, that is 7 into d. We have to calculate value of d. So this will be 4. So 192 by 4, this is equal to 6 plus 70. This will be equal to 48. 70 will be equal to 48 minus 6, 42. D will be 42 by 7, which is equal to 6. So this was question 9th part of question number 3. Question number 4 now. How many terms of the AP? AP is given 9, 17, 25. So A will be equal to 7. D is 17 minus 9, 8. So how many terms? That is, we have to calculate the value of n here. N is unknown. Must be taken to give a sum of 336. So sum is given. Sn is 336. So we have to find the value of n here. So this will become Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 636 is equal to n by 2, 2a. What is a? A is 7. So this will be equal to, sorry, a is 9. This is 9. So a is equal to 18, 218 plus n minus 1 into d is 8. So this will be converted into 18 plus 8n minus 8. 636 is equal to n by 2. 10 plus 8n, taking 2 common here. N by 2. 5 plus 4n. So 636 is equal to 5n plus 4n square. So this will be form a quadratic equation. So this is the final quadratic equation. Now we have to solve this equation to find the value of n. We have two methods. One is middle term splitting and one is quadratic form. So if you can do the middle term splitting, then it is okay. Otherwise you can go for quadratic formula. First calculate value of d, then the variable is equal to minus b plus minus root d by 2. Clear? So here the factors will be 4n square, 53n minus 48n minus 636 equal to 0. 53 minus 48, 5. If we multiply these two numbers, the answer will be 636 into 4, whatever be the answer. So here we can take n common, 4n plus 53. Here minus 12, n plus 4n plus 53. So n minus 12, 4n plus 53. So from here n is equal to 12 and minus 53 by 4. Now we know that the number of terms cannot be negative and number of terms cannot be in the fraction also. So this value will be rejected. So the number of terms here will be 12. So total terms in AP is 12. This was question number 4. Question number 5 now. First term of AP is 5. That is A is equal to 5. Last term is 45. That is AN is 45. And sum is 400. That is SN is 400. This is the information given in the question. Now we have to find number of terms, that is value of n, and the common difference here, that is b. So now what we will do, we will use the formula of Sn here. Sn is equal to 400 equal to n by 2 a plus an, that is 5 plus 45. This will be equal to 800 into 50n and 800 by 50. This will be equal to 16. So number of terms here is 16. Now what we have to do, we have to calculate value of d here. So to calculate value of d, use formula of an. An is 45, a is 5, n minus 1 into n is 16 now. This will be equal to 15d. So 40 equal to 15d. D is 40 by 15, that is 8 by. So the value of n is 16 and d is 8 by 3. Question number 6. First and last terms of AP are 17 and 350. So A is 17, AN is 350. If common difference is 9, D is equal to 9. How many terms are there and what is their sum? So how many terms, that is n, we have to calculate n and Sn. Clear everyone? So first of all, calculate the value of n here using the formula for an. A plus n minus 1 into d. An is 350. A is 17. D is 9. So this will be 333 is equal to 9 into n minus 1. N minus 1 will be 37 and will be 38. Clear everyone? N is known now, so we have to calculate Sn, that is S38. This will be equal to 38 by 2. A plus An. A is 17 and An is 350. So this is 19 into 367. 6973 is the answer. So this was question number 6. See question number 7 here. Find sum of first 22 terms of AP. That means n is given here 22. D is 7. and 22nd term is 149. That is A22 is 149. So we have to calculate S22. Clear? To calculate S22 we need the value of A. So first of all we will calculate value of A here. So A22 will be equal to A plus 21D. This will be equal to 149. A plus 21 into 7. A will be equal to 2 here. Since A is known now, so calculate S22. S22 will be 22 by 2, A plus AN. A, what is A? 2. What is AN? A22 is 149. So 11 into 151, this is equal to 1661. So this was question number 7 of exercise 5.3. In this video we will do up to question number 7. In the next video we will complete the exercise up to question number 14, because question number 15 onwards are not in the syllabus now. So till then, like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much.